In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Trello step by step. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects and tasks, and adding checklists to your Trello cards is a great way to keep track of subtasks and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive into the process and make organizing your tasks even more efficient. First, you'll want to head over to the Trello website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your list of boards. These boards are essentially like whiteboards with lists where you can organize all your tasks. Now, choose the board that you want to work on by clicking on it. This board can be one you've already been working on or one you've just set up for a new project. Once you've opened your board, scan through it until you find the card you want to add a checklist to. Click on the area that highlights when you select a card. This action opens up the card's detailed view. You'll notice an edit icon on this view, and clicking that will reveal the card menu, where more options are available for you. Now keep an eye out for the Open Card button within the menu. Once you click on it, Trello presents a detailed interface for that specific task card, and right there is where the magic happens. You'll want to find and click on the checklist option, which typically appears in a multifunctional menu. Next, it's time to name your checklist. Creating a descriptive name helps you organize and identify the nature of your tasks at a glance. For instance, if the checklist pertains to project planning, you might title it Planning Steps. Once you've entered a name, hit the Add button to confirm. With your checklist in place, start by adding tasks to it. Think of these as steps or subtasks you must complete toward accomplishing the larger task the card represents. Enter the first task, and when you're ready, click Add to make it a part of your checklist. Feel free to insert as many tasks as you need. The process is straightforward. Type your task, click Add, and repeat. You can build comprehensive lists this way, tackling even the most complex projects by breaking them down into manageable pieces. Once you've populated your checklist with tasks and feel comfortable with your setup, take a moment to simply close the menu when you're done to get a cleaner workspace. The card remains your main point of reference. Finally, anytime you want to review or update your progress, open the card again and watch as the subtasks chip away, revealing the satisfaction of checked off items. How rewarding is that? Closing the card places you back on the board overview, where you can manage and review all your other tasks that await similar treatment. And there you have it. With checklists now under your belt, you're geared for more efficient project management on Trello. Organize, track and complete with newfound convenience. Happy organizing.